time series, before going to the time series, uh, in index numbers we have some tests. So what are these tests? Any index number is said to be the consistent. It should satisfy the following conditions. They are unit test, time reversal test, factor reversal test, and circular test. In examination, they are regularly asking some questions on this. Okay, we have learnt various methods of constructing an index number. However, we need to choose the most appropriate formula in a given situation. The formula with the formula with the formula with greater accuracy is the most available certain mathematical test as known as test of consistency. An index number that satisfies the most number of tests is most desirable. The test of consistencies are unit test, time reversal test, factor reversal test, and circular test. Let us see about the unit test. This test states that the formula of an index number should be independent of units with the prices and quantities of the various commodities are given. All the formula except the index number based on simple aggregative prices test. This test is satisfies all formulas. So what are the example? We don't consider kgs, grams and rupees etc. So almost all formulas will satisfy this unit test. Next, if you consider the time reversal test, this test was given by Professor Irwin, Fisher Irwin. So, according to the Fisher's formula, calculating the index number should be such that it gives the same ratio between one point of comparison and the other, no matter which of the uh, two is taken as the base or considering any other value. So summation, that is P naught 1 formula price index number summation P1 divided by P naught summation P1 divided by P naught into 100. The time reversal, so P1 naught and P naught 1 both will be the same, for it should gives the same value. Summation P naught divided by summation P1 into 100. So P1, when a calculation is said to be the satisfy this test, P naught 1 into P1 naught should get the value as 1. So next, factor reversal test. After completing the time reversal, we are moving factor reversal test. This test was also proposed by Fishers only. This test requires that the product of two index numbers, one is measuring price taking quantities as base and other measuring quantities taking price as a base, should be increase in total value. So if P01 is the price index number, Q01 is the quantity index number, the product of two index numbers should be equal to the value index number V01. That implies P01 into Q01 is equals to V01. Then that time we are going to say that this index numbers are also satisfies the factor reversal test. Last but not least, the circular test. The circular test was proposed by uh, Westergaard. Okay, so it is an extension of the time reversal test. It is more than two time periods are considered. Price index is calculated for each period with the previous year as base period. The product of all the price index numbers should be equals to the one. P01, P12 into P21 is should be equals to the 1. So then that time we are going to say that it is a uh, good index number. When an index number is satisfies all these tests, that means unit test, time reversal test and factor reversal test and circular test, that is the only ideal index number. So all these tests are only cleared by the Fisher index only. So that's why we are calling it the Fisher's index is an ideal index number. In examination for the BCom second years, in the chapter of index number, they are going to ask you the question, uh, what is what is ideal index number. Then Fisher is the only ideal index number. Why? Because it satisfies all the tests, consistency of the tests. Okay, please note it down very carefully and write in your examination, then you will get the good marks. Thank you.